Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is the Beaute Galleria hair donut. I want to show you how simple it is to make an elegant, beautiful hairstyle with this donut. I start by putting my hair in a ponytail, and you can do a low ponytail, but for the purpose of this video, I'm doing a high one. So you put your hair in a ponytail, and you take the donut, and you slip it over your ponytail and pull your hair through. And then I just take my hair and I spread it out. And your hair doesn't have to be straight. Obviously, mine isn't. You just spread it out over the donut. And then you take the ends of your hair and you just tuck it under the donut, kind of while swooping it, to the side, kind of like around. So that's how I do my donut, and this is how it comes out. It comes out really nice, really cute, like a ballerina hairstyle, or just a nice style for like an elegant evening. And I just love the way that it looks and how easy it is. And if you can see the donut through your hair, you can just move your hair around and cover it up. But it's that simple, and that's why I love this donut. It's a nice, simple, elegant hairstyle that can be done within minutes. So if you're in a hurry or if you just don't know what to do with your hair, this is such an easy option, a simple option. And that's my point of view.